Hi, kings and queens. It's Sandra Fenwick with Mortgage Experts. I hope all is well with you guys and you're staying safe. I know you guys want to get out of the house like me, but let's just be patient with what's going on. The experts know what they're doing, and let's just trust the process, and we can get out there soon, and I can see you all and give you guys hugs like we used to. So just stay safe. I heard that there are about 5 million cases of COVID worldwide, about 1.5 million here in the United States, and 98,000 deaths. Now, I know these numbers have been said to be trumped up a bit, but even one death is too much. So you guys just stay safe, and make sure you're practicing your social distancing. It's better to be safe than sorry. So just to jump right into what's going on, people are still unemployed, but as states are opening back up, people are getting back to work. The economy is slowly bouncing back. So that's great news. But just getting back to work, just make sure you stay safe. FHA made an announcement last week about the forbearances. Now, it's great news, because before, if you did any forbearance or any type of loan modification, you had to wait 1 year from that modification date before you can do a loan again or refi your home. So right now they're lifting that restriction. So that's great news. So what they're saying is, if you were behind on your payment, like let's say that at the beginning of this, some people went into a forbearance and they said, we're going to let you not pay for these 3 months, but after this 3 months is up, you're going to owe us this full 3 months payment. So I think lenders started realizing that, okay, this is going to put some people in a greater hardship. So they allowed you to start deferring your payment, where they would either allow you to pay that money back over time. So let's say you say, okay, I owe you this 3 months. I'm gonna add on an extra $400 or $500 to my next 6 months payments to pay this down. Or people were saying that they are going to attach it onto the back of the loan. So it just stretches your loan out for another 6 months in your term. So even with all that being said, as long as you are up to date, they are allowing you to go ahead and do your loan and not having to wait for another whole year. So that's great news. And they're also allowing gift funds. So let's say you were one of those ones that said, after this 3 months, I have to pay this full payment. They're allowing you to use a gift from maybe a family member to go ahead and pay off whatever you owe. As long as you don't owe anything, and you're not behind, or you're not in any type of negative standing, even if you're in deferment and it's at the end, then you can go ahead and do the loan, and you don't have to wait for a whole year. So that is great news. Moving on to the credit scores. We talked about credit scores pretty much every week. The pricing is getting better as people are starting to get back to work. So our 680 or above, one of our investors came out and said, hey, if you're 680, you're ready to move right now. There's a special program that has rates down to 2.5%, which is amazing. And these loans are closing within 22 days. So we can close anywhere between 10 and 22 days. So if you are a 680 or higher, you're ready to buy now, or you're ready to refi, right now is a great time. These rates are in this program is between, I believe, 2.5 and 3.75. So depending on what your score is, you can get a great rate right now. So just if you have questions about that, let me know, and I'll further explain to you. So again, and also I wanted to give you guys an update for our down payment assistance programs. Now, and it's otherwise known as DPA, because I always jump out and say DPA and people don't know what I'm talking about. So in those down payment assistance programs, there is one still that's going down to 620. But as you can imagine, as the other ones raise their scores a little bit, this particular company got slammed with loans, so it's a delay in processing, and things are moving a lot slower for everybody. So if you have gotten approved for this down payment assistance, and or you need down payment assistance, just expect that the process is going to be a little bit slower. So I know people are trying to sell these homes or trying to close these homes, and people are sometimes uncertain about what's going on with the market, just know that it's not anything negative going on. It's just a longer processing time because there are a greater volume of loans that are being submitted. So the rates are at an all-time low, especially for government loans, FHA loans. So right now is a great time still to buy. They were saying that mortgage applications were at this lowest point right now, but we are still getting applications in daily here at Mortgage Experts. So we are still here to serve you. We thank you, all of those people who are reaching out to us and partnering with us. We thank you so much. We appreciate you for the business that we do together. So, yeah, that was all. You know, I wanted to let you know that we can still get loans done. Like FHA is still set at 600. But USDA and VA are going down to 580 now. So if you guys have those scores, just expect to invest a little bit more in your loan as far as the rate is concerned, but the rates are still good. So if you guys need anything, you have any questions, please reach out to me. My cell phone is 301-326-7555. Our office is 301-341-2200. You can apply now at my website, www.approvemesandra.com, and I can go ahead and work on getting you pre-approved. Again, if you have any questions, you can go ahead and leave a comment below, or you can inbox me or email me, and I will get back to you. Thank you guys. Stay safe and be blessed.